Hello, I am Priyanka. In this video, I am talking about the automated system, how it works. Front end, we upload videos, but in back end, our how our system works, I will explain you in details. Please see the video without skipping. If you are seeing my video first time or if you are seeing it regularly, and you have not subscribed, please subscribe my channel so that you can get useful information. And now we will go to our channel. As you can see, I have uploaded the videos, and here I will promote my unique funnel. I promote my masterclass funnel link through my videos. This masterclass is related to our company Forever Living Products, in which we talk about how our company works. For example, in the front end, I have uploaded videos. In these videos, I have promoted masterclass. As you can see, my videos. With the help of these videos, you can register to my masterclass.